So it's time to install some bushings in the control arms. I went for some Ridetech Delrin bushings because I heard they are good and they weren't that much more expensive than the standard rubber ones. I'm also using the Ridetech installation tool. I found it really good when removing the old bushings, so we'll see how it works with this. If not, I just bought an hydraulic press so that I can use if that's needed. I start with just installing the shell without the Delrin bushing, because that's supposedly the way to do it. Yeah, so it enters. Probably should have removed some paint, would have made it easier, but that's the way I did it. This is just to keep the distance so we don't squash it together. A helpful tool. So we'll see, give it a few more turns and see how it works. So that went really nice. Took some force, but not too bad. Didn't need to bring out any bigger tools, so perfect. So got it on, moving smoothly. I'm not gonna torque it down, but just hand tighten it, and then the upper control arm. I'm reinstalling the same spacers or shims that was on it originally, or when I got it. I noticed it's two different types. These which are totally square, and this one that has a tongue on it. So which one is the original? On the opposite side, they're all the same with a tongue tab on it. And that's both control arms on both sides partially installed. I didn't film too much about it because I damaged one of the bushings on the upper control arm, and yeah, then I wasn't in the mood to film. But it will work for now, and I'll see if I can get hold of new bushings from Ridetech. Summit didn't sell them loose, and I really don't want to buy a complete kit. Yeah, so I'll see what's next.